Computer engineering, it's a field that marries the power of hardware and software. It shapes our digital world. From smartphones to supercomputers, computer engineers are the architects. They design, build, and innovate. The demand for skilled computer engineers is always high. The field is dynamic and ever-evolving. If you have a passion for technology and a desire to shape the future, computer engineering might be your calling. Computer engineers are the brains behind the digital devices we use every day. They design and develop computer systems. They work on hardware, the physical components of a computer. They also work on software, the instructions that computers follow. Computer engineers are problem solvers. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Their work impacts every aspect of our lives, from communication and entertainment to healthcare and transportation. The journey to becoming a computer engineer begins with education. A bachelor's degree in computer engineering is typically required. Coursework covers computer science fundamentals, electrical engineering principles, and mathematics. Students delve into programming languages, data structures, algorithms, and computer architecture. Many aspiring computer engineers pursue advanced degrees such as a master's or doctorate to specialize in a specific area. Technical proficiency is a must for computer engineers. Mastery of programming languages is essential. Problem-solving skills are crucial. Computer engineers must be able to analyze complex issues and devise effective solutions. Teamwork is key in this collaborative field. Computer engineers often work in teams to develop and implement projects. Strong communication skills are also important for conveying technical information clearly and concisely. Section 5. Charting your course. Specializations abound. Computer engineering is a broad field with numerous specializations. Software engineering focuses on designing and developing software applications. Hardware engineering deals with the design and development of computer hardware components. Network engineering involves designing, implementing, and managing computer networks. Other specializations include cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Section 6. Bridging the gap. Practical experience. Gaining practical experience is invaluable. Internships provide opportunities to work on real-world projects. Personal projects allow you to apply your skills and explore your interests. Hackathons are events where teams collaborate intensively on software or hardware projects within a short time frame. Open-source contributions enable you to contribute to existing projects and learn from experienced developers. Section 7. The power of networking. Building a professional network is essential. Attend industry conferences and meetups to connect with professionals. Engage with online communities and forums related to computer engineering. Reach out to professionals on LinkedIn and other platforms for informational interviews. Networking can lead to job opportunities, mentorship, and valuable insights. Section 8. Charting your trajectory in computer engineering. To embark on a successful career in computer engineering, follow these steps. Get a solid education. Develop essential skills. Gain practical experience. Build your network. Stay updated with the latest advancements. Section 9. Embracing the future. The field of computer engineering is constantly evolving. New technologies are emerging all the time. Embrace lifelong learning. Be adaptable. Be curious. As a computer engineer, you have the power to shape the future. It's an exciting time to be at the forefront of technological innovation.